Hey y'all, today we're still in the Carolinas and we're going to visit the Pretty Place Chapel. The chapel is located in Cleveland, South Carolina, just on the North Carolina and South Carolina border. A lot of people don't know this, but the chapel is actually located on private property owned by the YMCA Camp Greenville. The chapel was built in 1941 and was given to the camp by Mr. Fred W. Symmes for the boys and girls who camp here to enjoy. It is still the spiritual center of the camp today. The chapel is open to visitors daily from dawn till dusk, except when it's being used for camp events or is reserved for private events such as weddings. So make sure that you check the chapel schedule before you go, and I'll put a link to that in the description down below. Also, just a quick reminder, if you are planning a trip to the Asheville area, make sure you check out Mountain Springs Cabins as an accommodation option. You can use our code SWEETRVC10 to save 10%. Just make sure you book before May 25th. As we pull into the parking lot here, you can see they do have a good bit of parking spaces available, but they say they get up to 400 cars a day coming in here, so some days I would imagine it's pretty busy. There are some porta potties there on the right. Those are the only restrooms up here, and they are only available April through November. As we pull into our parking spot here, you'll be able to see in front of us there are some trails through the woods there. We were happy to see those because we have Miss Allie with us today, and although she is allowed on the property, they do not allow pets inside the chapel. And now let's go see the pretty place. Well, it's easy to see how it got the nickname the Pretty Place. It's a beautiful little chapel. The views were amazing, and there's nothing like seeing this place in person. We feel blessed to have had the opportunity to visit. Thank y'all for coming along with us today. We appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.